What is absolute threshold? Imagine you are in an empty room and there you can smell a single drop of perfume. How do you perceive a single drop of perfume? This is the concept absolute threshold explains. That means the minimum level of threshold required to perceive a particular stimuli. That is absolute threshold. Absolute threshold is the smallest magnitude of a stimulus that can be detected 50% of the time. Sensory threshold or absolute thresholds are not really fixed, but instead change in response to a variety of factors. The factors influencing sensory thresholds include fatigue, lapses in attention, moment-to-moment fluctuations that occur within our nervous system, and the motivational factors may also play an important role. Our receptors are remarkably efficient, although they do not register all the information available in the environment at any given moment. We are able to smell or taste certain substances but not others. We can hear sound waves only at certain frequencies. Our sensitivity to stimuli changes from moment to moment. Bodily functions changes constantly in order to maintain the body's internal environment at optimal levels. So we can say this state is homeostasis. As a result of the changes, the sensitivity of our sensory organs to external stimuli also varies. Here, the absolute threshold denotes our sensory threshold. Absolute threshold is the smallest magnitude of a stimulus that can be detected 50% of the time. Next concept is difference threshold. What is difference threshold? Let us see. For example, when we prepare a recipe, we taste the food and sometimes we feel a little bit of salt is necessary to make the food tasty. Then we add the salt to the food and again we taste the food. Then we can understand the difference between before adding the salt and after adding the salt. This is what difference threshold. That means a very small variation in food after adding salt and before adding salt. So this difference is difference threshold. Difference threshold denotes how much change in a stimulus is required to detect the change. It may be a very minute level. That is the amount of change in a stimulus required for a person to detect it as the difference threshold. Obviously, the smaller the change we can detect, the greater our sensitivity. If you can detect the smaller change, the sensitivity of yours is greater. In other words, the difference threshold is the amount of change in a physical stimulus necessary to produce a just noticeable difference. This is another term, just noticeable difference, that is JND. JND or just noticeable difference is the smallest amount of change in a physical stimulus necessary for an individual to notice a difference in the intensity of the stimulus. The smallest amount of change in a physical stimulus necessary for an individual to notice a difference in the intensity of the stimulus. As it turns, our ability to detect differences in stimulus intensity depends upon the magnitude of the initial stimulus. We easily detect even small changes in weak stimuli, but we require much larger changes before we notice differences in strong stimuli. Next concept is subliminal threshold. That means the stimuli below threshold. Sometimes we can perceive a stimulus that is below the threshold for our conscious experiences and that have significant impact on later behavior and thought, which is known as subliminal threshold. So let us say subliminal threshold is presumed ability to perceive a stimulus that is below the threshold for conscious experiences. We have already discussed what is threshold. That is the minimum amount of energy required to detect a particular stimuli is threshold. Okay. So subliminal threshold means this presumed ability to perceive a stimulus that is below the threshold for conscious experiences. Subliminal perception comes about when such stimuli, even though apparently unnoticed stimuli, appear to exert an effect on later behavior. So, we have already discussed here what is threshold, what is difference threshold, what is just noticeable difference, and subliminal threshold. I hope you can follow the concept we have discussed here. If you have any doubts on this concept, put it as your comments. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.